Hi guys, this is Rosmily Tabalon and welcome to my very first podcast. So we are here today like with my co-host here, my husband, Mark
Mhm.
Tabalon. Hi Mark, hi baby.
Hey guys, my name is Mark Tabelon. I'm here today to ask questions to my wife, to her podcast. Ganito rin yung sa aming podcast, guys. It's the other way around. So basically, I have my own podcast as well. If you guys wanted to go to my page, my Facebook,
Yeah.
you should be able to see it there, Mark Tabelon, or the name of the podcast is Mark Your Greatness. So go to my page, check it out, and I hope I can give you a lot of values there as well as this podcast with my wife. So, ano ba tong topic natin
Well,
dito?
it's quite unfair. Like yours has your own name, like Mark Your Greatness. Mine is like Rosmily Tabalon. Yun lang po guys. Rosmily Tabalon, wala pong segue. Diretso po, diretso lang. Ganon. So for me,
Tignan mo naman yung outfit mo.
yeah, overkill po ang outfit ko. Outfit talaga.
Outfit
Outfit
kong
ko for,
outfitan.
yeah, outfit kong outfitan. I'm manifesting the Westerner life. So, yes.
Okay, so we're going
Yeah.
to ask you questions.
Yeah, and my podcast mainly is all about, being mom and being a housewife or like a wife or well, I'm not a housewife anymore. I'm a business owner. And honestly, like I don't like to be attached with any, what do you call that one? Yung sinasabi nila entitlement or entitle. Okay na ako sa mom and wife na title. Rosmily
So, para
Tabalon,
saan ba tong
34,
mga podcast na
mom.
gagawin mo? It's
Yeah, it's about
about,
being mom and of course the being a business owner at the same time. So
okay.
basically I'm just sharing experience, values regarding, like how do I operate our household or even like, how I'm
So, hindi
helping you
po
with a
pinag-isipan
business.
tong podcast na to, guys. Right on the spot, we thought
Yes.
about this just
We're
a couple
just dive
hours
in.
ago.
Yeah, we just
And then,
dive into it.
sinet up namin to and then there we go.
Yeah. So hindi
Okay,
talaga namin pinag-isipan. Hindi halatang hindi po pinag-isipan. Talagang ganun lang po talaga. Gusto ko ng podcast. Okay, magpa-podcast ako because I have my own studio. Why not, right?
yes, correct.
Yes.
So, I'm going to ask you
And I have
questions.
you.
All right, so let's
Okay.
begin, guys.
Sorry.
Unang tanong pa lang is, bakit mo iniwan ang pagiging nurse? Anong turning point ang nagpa-realize sa'yo na it's time to choose a different path?
Well, for me, like the realization is that I have more time being a nurse than being me or being a mom to my daughter. So I only had Safina before, right? And then like parang sabi ko mas marami pa akong time sa mga pasyente kaysa makita yung milestone ng anak ko. So I think and then mas marami akong time na alam mo yun, well, basically sa ibang tao kaysa sa pamilya ko. Because for me, my greatest dream is, alam mo yun, may masaya ako at kompletong family. Yun lang yun, yung achievement ko lang na yun, guys. Sobrang fulfilled na ako. I don't need like anything in between. Dahil alam ko talaga pagkabata pa lang ako, gusto ko talaga buo at masaya at kompletong pamilya. Yun lang yun.
Sino ba
Ang
may gusto
simple.
magiging nurse?
Well, maging nurse, hi mom in heaven. I'm not blaming her. She's in heaven right now. For sure, for sure my mom is so proud of me because I finished what she wanted me to finish. But the thing is that I realized that I'm not happy doing it. That's it. Like one time, like talagang humahagulgol ako paglabas ko sa work ko because hindi ako happy. Alam mo yun?
Yeah, I remember that,
Yung
yeah.
paggising mo sa umaga, mag-a-alarm pa lang, pero,
hirap na hirap ka ng bumangon.
yung ganon, guys. Like,
Gusto mo
ayaw
na
mo nang
mag-call in
bumangon at gusto mo na lang i-press yung alarm na, okay, matutulog muna ako. 'Di ba? Yun yung,
That's true.
and then you told me that maybe find something you're passionate about. And then the search is on. and on and on.
Kaya yung business owner ka na.
And I'm so thankful, babe, that you pushed me that way.
You're welcome back.
Kasi guys, alam mo yung minsan hindi na ako natutulog dahil excited ako mag-shoot na experience. Yung mga ganon, na excited ako na pumunta sa event, sa weddings, ganyan, to meet people and to see yung mga in love na tao na ikakasal, and then like yung vows
true.
nila together, yung promises nila together.
That's
Who
true.
doesn't love that, right? It's a celebration, and guys, yung hotel and food, free din.
masasarap lahat ng pagkain, guys.
Yes.
Yeah. And,
well, I'm not bragging, but that's the reality.
That's the truth.
That's
we
that's
get
the truth.
over the or over the 5, no, not 5 years, but
7 years, I think.
Yeah, 7 years. Over the 7 years time na nagsushoot tayo ng weddings,
Yeah.
there's a lot of, good food that we've eaten,
Yeah.
places that we went to, and beautiful
Sobra.
places that we went to.
Yeah.
It's a long journey. It's a good adventure as well.
Sabi nga nila, 'di ba? Find the job that you love and it doesn't feel like you're working.
Correct. Yeah.
And I think I found one. Sa puso
I'm
mo.
really I'm really fast when you're working, especially with your passion, di ba?
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah.
Mas, alam mo yun, sobrang passionate mo kasi, hindi mo man lang tinitignan yung time.
Yeah.
Tinitignan yung oras kung anong oras na. Then you realize like, tapos na naman pala yung araw.
I couldn't agree
Yeah,
more.
exactly.
And guys, nung una guys, may sinot kami na wedding. I think it's 15 to 16 hours wedding, right?
Yeah, I think
Lancy?
15 hours. Yeah.
Yeah.
Lancy and Jason.
Yeah. And guys, as in, alam niyo yung isang oras lang ang tulog namin. Yun yung hindi nakikita ng tao kasi it's a back-to-back wedding. Basically, we're shooting a wedding here in Calgary and we have to drive all the way to Vancouver. Or no, it's BC.
BC, yeah.
Yeah, it's BC. It's British Columbia. I'm so sorry. Yeah, it's British Columbia. And then, grabe guys, yung hype na hype ka pa din. Kasi hindi mo alam kung ano-expectin mo for the next wedding. And then, it's so grand. Right? And it's
It was the
amazing.
best one.
It's the best one. And then, we work with an amazing photographer who are so successful with what they do. Yeah. Yes.
Anyways,
Napapalayo na po tayo.
napapala this conversation. I think this is more about my podcast. Your podcast.
Because usually he started the business. Honestly, if you're gonna ask me 5 years ago, like, bakit ka nandito sa wedding? Ba't ka nagsushoot ng wedding? Oh, I'm just here showing up for my husband because it's his passion and he loves it. Parang ganun, guys. But I love photography way back when I was in college. It's just that I don't have the right environment or the right surrounding na mag-i-encourage sa akin how to do it correctly. And then, like, when I work with like other photographers in the past, like, they're so amazing. Naboblown away ako sa mga photos nila. And like, I hope I can be
There's
like that.
so many of them are really good.
Yeah, and I cannot imagine, guys, na I developed that skills. Well, I'm not like the best photographer, but I think I'm knowledgeable naman kahit papano.
Right. Yeah.
Hindi naman ako yung nagmamagaling. And please don't ever compare me to like 13 years experience na mga photographers because I don't have that. And they're better than me. And ito pa lang ako sa estado na to nagpapagaling. Yun lang.
Well, kailangan mo naman gawin yan every day.
Yes.
Magpagaling. Yeah.
I agree.
Doesn't matter how good you are. I believe that there's always someone better. And hindi
Yeah.
mo pwedeng ipagyabang na ikaw na pinakamagaling sa lahat. Because there's always someone out there who's way, way better.
Yes.
Like 1,000 or 1,000,000 times better than you.
Yeah.
Anyways, doon tayo sa second question natin.
Second, so yun na nga, wait. Yun na nga yung turning point. It's about kung ano yung gusto ko talaga. Like, di ba? Sabi ko nga, gusto ko ng masaya at buong pamilya.
That's
And
true.
I focused sa route na yun, which is my family.
Correct,
Thank
yeah.
you.
Not a lot of people are blessed
Yeah,
with amazing family, guys. So this is something that you need to build and protect.
I agree.
So
Yeah. And like I'm so grateful as well because we already started ZRM Studios by that time, right?
yeah,
And
when we
then-
started our family, yeah.
Yeah. So when I
That's
quit
true.
my job, I should
Yeah,
say.
I think Zafina was like a few months old.
Yeah.
that time when we first started ZRM Studios.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay, next question please.
Next question, paano mo nababalanse? Ang hirap magbasa ng
Nahirapan siya ng
Tagalog.
Tagalog, guys.
Paano mo nababalanse ang pagiging mom, wife, at business owners? May mga araw ba na gusto mo na lang magpahinga sa lahat?
Ay, araw-araw gusto kong maglupasay. Pero gusto ko maglupasay pero hindi pwede. Kasi kailangan kong maging malakas para sa mga anak ko at para sa pamilya ko din. 'Di ba? And I don't believe in balance. There's no balance, but you have to know your priorities. For example, your kids, meron silang activities today, then focus with the activities, 'di ba? Or today, merong alam mo yon, meron kang mga client na kailangan asikasuhin, then focus with your client. Ganun lang yun, guys. Pero pag client and then kids, isama mo yung mga anak mo, ganyan. Or pag yung isang anak ko kasi nasa school na, then, 'di ba, yung isa lang ang kasama minsan. Pero pag may shoot talaga, guys, especially like I have to focus, 'di ba? I'm so grateful na yung isa may school na. And then yung isa, hi sis, at least naman nandyan yung brother ko to show up naman pag hindi ako available for my kids. Right?
Yeah.
Okay ba yun?
You should be talking to me, not to the camera.
Ay, sorry.
Yeah. It's a podcast.
Okay, ulitin ko ba?
No, it's okay. We keep going.
Okay.
It's a first episode. So
It's a first episode. I'm sorry.
We'll learn as we go.
Alam mo, nakatingin ako sa camera and then nakatingin ako sa my monitor. Ignorante na naman. Oh, sorry, guys.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Let's move on to the next question. The third question.
Did I answer it well?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Okay,
did
I'm so
well.
nervous. I'm so cold.
This is your podcast.
I don't
You
even know.
shouldn't
Like,
be
no one is
nervous.
even watching now.
So
I know.
we're gonna try to invite some guests. You want to talk about that?
Yeah, of course. If you're a mom and you want to share some input regarding parenthood or motherhood or whatever it is, you're welcome to my channel. And hopefully, like, kasi matuto tayo para sa isa't isa, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi alam ko hindi ako magaling sa aspetong 'to. Ang best friend ko lang si Google if I'm having
GPT
or Chat GPT. 'Di ba? If I'm observing this to my kids, like, I'm also like asking some moms like sa forums, mga ganyan, yung mga behaviors and guys, hindi ako psychologist and like yung experience ko lang talaga ang basis ko, to improve, 'di ba? What's that?
Just talk to me, ma'am. Not
Oh,
the
I'm so
camera.
sorry.
It's okay.
That's why you're doing like this, 'di ba? Ang basis ko lang talaga is yung experience ko to improve,
Okay.
'di ba? So, it's better if I also have like basis from other people experiences, 'di ba?
Yeah.
So, mas mabuti na 'yon. So, that's why, guys, like, if you guys have the time and have the courage to like talk to our fellow moms around the globe, you guys are welcome like in my show. 'Di ba?
Yeah,
To
so-
share your insight and input about about
Parenthood,
motherhood.
motherhood. Yeah.
Or being a business owner and
Because people
a
need
mom.
to hear, people need to
Yeah.
hear, or people need to understand the situation where they're in.
Yeah, I agree.
Tapos, minsan kasi hindi available yun, di ba?
Yeah.
Like you said, you can search it up from the internet, ChatGPT, whatever. Pero yung experience talaga hands-on,
I agree.
I think
Iba
it's
kasi.
good, with the
Yeah.
guests, with your guests, and then, have them explain their situation and kung paano nila nagagawa ng paraan yung mga things na ganyan about sa motherhood at saka parenthood.
Yeah. Ano
Yeah.
parenthood?
Parenthood.
Yeah.
Parenting.
Parenting, yeah. So,
Correct,
ayun na nga. Sabi ko nga, guys, parehas tayong magpagaling. Kaya ako binuo tong podcast na to kasi I suck at it. Hindi ako magaling na nanay. 'Di ba? Gusto kong matuto na nanay. That's why I wanna invite mga nanays or mga mom or yung alam mo yung mompreneur, 'di ba? How are you guys handling the pressure in
Correct.
running a business and having kids at the same time, 'di
That's
ba?
right, yeah.
Because a millionaire once said to us that there's no balance talaga. There's no
I think it's more like a billionaire.
a billionaire, yeah.
So one billionaire told us that there's no such thing as balanced
Balance.
life, which I believe so, because either you're working or you're not, or you're doing something else.
I agree. 'Diba?
Yeah.
So, kaya ko to inumpisahan tong podcast na to para matuto. Matuto sa isang bagay na it's a forever learning and
Yeah.
it's a different stage. Like, I love seeing my kiddo growing from my womb and then now they're like what, 8 and 2-year-old. How fast that is, right?
Yeah.
And then I don't have enough knowledge and I don't have my mom to ask na parang, Ma, ganito yung mga anak ko ngayon. Tama ba tong ginagawa ko sa stage na to?
Correct. Yeah.
Wala. 'Di ba?
Yeah.
Ang tinatanungan ko si ChatGPT or si Google or sometimes it's the community. Hey guys, 'di ba? Ito yung nangyayari sa akin ngayon. My kids are like fighting together like always. What intervention should I do? Or what we should do as a mom if we encounter this sa anak natin. Kasi minsan we just think na, that's fine. That's part of growing up. No. There should be like a right intervention kung papaano natin
Everything,
i-deliver to ng tama, right?
Exactly. Everything there's a proper way for everything, di ba?
I agree.
And even so na kung may parents ka man na nagtuturo sa iyo whatever, I think our parents also learning how to, grow a child.
I agree. A
Kahit,
human being.
Yeah, hindi naman sila yung expert eh. It's nobody's expert. It's up to you. Maybe their situation is different when we were young.
I agree.
And it's gonna be different to you guys now that you guys are parents. So mahirap. It's about looking for the right things to do with the kids, with work, with everything else that life has to offer.
So, yun lang naman guys, ang gusto ko. And then to share also my experience to my fellow moms na it's fine that you felt like terrible. Alam mo yun.
I think maraming makakano ng podcast mo eh. Maraming makaka-relate.
Yeah.
Right? Especially nowadays.
Kasi no one talks about it. You're just being mom. Nanay yan, nandun sa bahay.
Yeah, how
nag-aano lang ng mga bata. Guys, do it a day or do it for a couple years and I will salute you for sure. Because it's hard. It is
hard work, yeah.
Because your kids will be the reflection of you.
Will be the result of your action.
Yes. Yeah.
Right, so.
Yeah. And yun nga guys, the emotional trauma, the generational gap, you don't want to pass that on. Diba?
Correct.
Which is so hard. Because, diba, we mentioned, it's only our first time doing it. No second chances. Once you F up and then that's it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yun lang yun. Which is, ang hirap. Kaya sabihan nyo ako guys, yung mga experience ninyo, yung mga mistakes ninyo.
Yeah, comment
especially
down below,
mistakes. Yeah, please let me know. Like, if you're gonna do parenting or like motherhood the second time around, what you should do, diba?
Yeah, what are the things that you guys are doing that you think it's working?
And not working.
And things that didn't work.
Yeah, that's true. Kasi mahirap talaga. It's a full-time job, 24/7.
Yeah, correct. Anyways, let's move on to the third questions.
Third na? Okay.
Yeah, third pa lang, may 10 rito.
Okay.
So, ano ang kwento behind ZRM Studios at ano talaga ang role mo sa business ngayon?
Okay, my role today is
Today?
sorry.
My role?
May
I-roll mo yan.
Nakakainis ka talaga.
Go for
it. Okay, so a story of ZRM Studio. So we started it way back in 2017, right?
Yeah.
But we registered it in 2018.
Yeah,
so,
that was the time I was trying to get into the industry.
Yeah.
And learning what I can from other people. So I just shadow a lot of people.
Yeah, so honestly, guys, it's my husband's idea. Honestly, we don't have any idea how to start business before, right?
We didn't, yeah.
Yeah, and then we just learn as we go.
Correct.
And then but we hone your skills, right? Tapos ako, ang role ko lang dati, model niya. Naalala ko, pinupush ko pa siya dati.
It works.
It works perfectly, right? Before,
correct,
you suck at it sa photography and I'm like, ano ba to? Yung angulo ko, hindi mo na angguluhan. Yung mga ganon. So, and then until now, alam niya na, okay, tayo ka dyan, alam niya na kung paano i-execute ako. Sabi nga niya, ako yung pinakamahirap na kliyente.
Yeah.
Well, kung nakapasa ka sa akin, di good. Ganun lang yun.
Kung hindi talaga.
Kung hindi talaga. Ayoko talaga. Ano ba to?
That's
Ano
true.
ba to? Hindi mo na angguluhan. Yung mga ganong bagay. Which is, I am so proud naman, di ba? Kasi talagang, at first, you suck at it until you get better.
Correct,
Yun lang
yeah.
yun.
It applies to everything naman.
Everything
Sa
in
buhay,
life.
guys. Yeah.
Yeah. That's why I'm telling you, hindi ako na mom. That's why andito ako kasama nyo para magpagaling.
So
Diba?
tell me about the ZRM.
Yeah, it's all,
name.
and then ZRM. Yeah. So ZRM name, basically, it came from our initials. Basically, Z, it's for my two daughters. It's originally from one, of course, from Zafina. Pero nadagdagan na, hi Zarel, I love you anak. Mukhang gaano na naman. Yeah. And then R is Rosmalie, that's me. And then Mark, for sure, is the M. It's
Yeah.
my husband. Okay.
Hirap ko. Ang hirap ko kaya iniisip yung pangalan natin
Yeah,
dati. I think we started as ZRM Vintage.
Vintage.
Yeah, vintage.
Bakit vintage?
But
Baul?
vintage. And then we changed it to studio.
Yeah, and then
Yeah,
it
and then
became
became
studios.
studios, yeah.
Yeah. It's a process. I told you guys, it's a
Yeah.
process.
Exactly.
Diba? Until mahanap mo yung right recipe.
Correct, yeah.
Why I keep on looking sa camera?
It's okay. I mean, we learn as we go. So let's move on to the fourth question.
Okay. Oh, what's my role?
Oh, yeah,
Basically,
your
my
role. Yeah,
role
sorry, yeah, your
here
role.
is, of course, trabahador po ako ni Mark Davila.
Disney
Hindi na po ako
princess.
Disney princess.
Dating Disney princess.
ang
nga.
dating Disney princess naging trabahador. No, I'm just kidding, guys. No,
What's your
basically,
role?
my role here is I do contents for Zadaram Studios. I manage the finances, and also I do photography as well. Diba? Hindi lang iisa yun, guys. Madami. Akong tungkulin.
Then beside being a mom. to our
Beside being a
kids.
mom and
Our
a
kids.
wife.
Correct.
Ano na ba ako? Hindi na ako Disney princess, na-demote na ako.
Demoted ka na.
Okay.
Okay, let's move on to the fourth question. Ano ang typical na araw mo? Gising, mommy duties, tapos business, paano mo to kinakasya sa isang araw? Paano mo to pinagkakasya sa isang araw?
There's, well, a day is not even enough for me. I usually like wake up around 5 a.m. And then, like, of course, guys, diba, you have to focus on you first. So what I usually do is go to the gym, right? And then after that, like preparing myself, my kids, going to school, dropping off my daughter, and then like going here to studio, and then umikot na sa studio yung buong day, and then going back home again to be a nanay, right? And a
Yeah.
wife. So, ayun guys. And sometimes, well, I have to sleep early, but it's so hard to sleep early these days because of
Yeah.
the sun. Like, it sets at 10.
Masyado na mataas.
10
If you guys
PM.
are from Canada, you guys know what
Yeah.
we're talking about. But if you guys are watching this from the Philippines, kahit alas 10 na rito ng gabi, well, si gabi,
Yeah,
may araw pa rin.
may araw pa rin. So, nahirapan talaga akong matulog.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, kinakaya ko pa din siya, guys.
But we're opposite. I can just sleep right away.
Yeah, you're like,
Within like 5
pag
seconds.
sandal tulog, ikaw yun. Okay.
Anyways, so paano pinagkakasya yung isang araw?
Hindi siya kasha, guys.
Nilagay mo rito.
Like, ayun, ganun ko siya, minamanage, di ba?
Yeah.
I see to it that like I have like priorities today. Of course, for the studio, I have to make contents and stuff like that. And also like for my page din. So follow nyo naman ako, guys. And then for my kids as well, 'di ba? Minsan taga-driver nila sa mga activities nila, ganyan.
That's true.
Hindi po kasya ang isang araw, and I'm wishing that we have more than 24 hours, but we don't.
Well, that's the things. The only thing that you cannot change, everyone has the same thing, is just 24 hours.
I agree. Pero yung galawan mo, yun yung change mo.
Yeah, so that's why time is very important, guys.
Yes.
Yeah, you cannot waste time, especially if you're running a business and being a parent. It's
Yes.
very important to lay out all your plans throughout the day. If you have like to-do lists, make sure that to-do list has a timestamp.
I agree.
If you
Yeah.
can, because if you don't have that, it's just you're not gonna follow. You're not gonna. 24 hours will not be enough because you're all over the place. Wala kang
Sistema.
wala kang sistema, walang system. There's press din yun. Pero wala kang kahit na anong pina-follow to
I
make that
agree.
24 hours fit in within that 24 hours, especially those works that we need to do
Yeah.
within 24 hours. So, yeah,
Yeah.
that's true. Anyways, let's move on to the fifth question.
O fifth na.
Fifth na, malapit na tayo, guys.
Medyo comfortable na ako.
So, question ko sa'yo, ba? May moment ba na parang gusto mo nang sumuko? Paano mo na overcome yun?
Yeah, it's normal, guys, 'di ba? Sa work nga may tinatawag na exhaustion, 'di ba? Tapos ano pa? Ano pa yung mga terms mo na yung pag ano ka, pag mental exhausted ka, ano pa yung iba, Beb?
Burned out.
O burnout, 'di ba? That's
Yeah.
normal, guys. I mean, i-honor mo kung anong nafe-feel mo, pero wag ka lang magko-quit. Yun lang yun, 'di ba? I-honor mo lang. For example, you're tired today, then have rest. You felt like you wanna cry, then cry. I think for me, it's better like to do that way. Kasi nga, alam mo yun, you know yourself better than anyone else. Kaya nga lagi kong sinasabi na kilalanin mo yung sarili mo, yung gusto mo at hindi mo gusto, and then mag-focus ka sa mga bagay na sinisigaw nito. 'Di ba?
Correct, yeah.
Sinabi niya, pagod ka na. Alam namang magtrabaho ka pa, 'di ba? Syempre, itulog mo na. Kung pagod ka, magpahinga ka. Ganun lang yun. That's so simple.
Correct, yeah.
Right? But some people I know, like, they keep on saying, oh, kailangan pa natin mag-overtime for the sake of this and that. But, you should know your
Yeah,
priority
that's
at the end
true.
of the day.
Yeah. I think it came from my mentor as well that she said that kung kung gusto mong magpahinga ka. If your body is telling you to rest, rest. If you feel like you wanted to cry, cry.
Yeah.
Kasi i-honor mo lang talaga yung nararamdaman mo, guys. It's
Yes.
the only way.
I think,
you can push it like as hard as you can. Kahit pagod ka na, keep pushing it. I've done that so many times before, but the problem with that is you're not being productive
I agree.
after the fact that you're super tired, you didn't get enough sleep.
Yeah.
That 24 hours that you have will just be going to waste because hindi ka productive eh. Kumbaga,
Yeah.
yung 100% mo na lakas dapat na ilalaan mo sa isang bagay or focus, hindi siya 150% lang.
50%
So nasayang na yung araw
which
mo.
is crappy, right?
Exactly. If
Yeah.
you want to rest. If you feel burned out, rest.
Yeah, that's what I
Stop
learned
what you're
too.
doing. Yeah, it doesn't matter how passionate you are. It's the
Mm.
same thing when we did this when we started ZRM Studios.
Yeah.
Do you think, guys, that we're like always like this happy working in here?
Yeah.
There are days that we're so burned out nga. Ayaw na namin gumalaw dahil pagod kami.
Yeah.
And then mentally exhausted pa minsan.
Yeah, which is normal.
It's
Just honor
normal,
it.
yeah. Take a day off.
Huwag kang magmagaling. Huwag mong isipin na alam mo yun, na hindi yun normal. Normal lang yun. And
Exactly.
magtiwala ka lang.
That's true.
Basta just honor it and then move forward the next day.
Exactly. Kasi kung hindi, tapos uwi ka pa sa bahay nyo na pagod na
Mag-snap ka
pagod,
lang.
mag-snap ka lang kasi mapapagalitan mo na yung mga anak mo. It's hard.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, I think also like the journaling that you were saying, like it helps a lot because at least you've written like stuff that, like to know yourself more better.
Exactly. Yeah.
Right.
I think it's a good thing to mention, guys. If you guys are trying to be better every day, journaling is really good. Especially, this podcast is about parenting, right? Especially with your kids.
Yeah.
Just know your kids, know why they act the way they act. Keep journaling, write it down, and then figure it out.
I agree.
Kasi kung di mo pa figure out yan as a parents, I don't think change will happen if you don't.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kasi ako, as a business owner, from the beginning, since 2017, I have this small book that I always carry with me, and then I just write down lahat ng gusto kong matutunan, and then I'll go home, search it, and then, it's really good to track yung mga things na gusto mong mangyari.
Podcast mo na ata ito. Nakakabuisit naman yan.
Di naman, but I'm just applying yung story ko dun sa pagiging parenting, right? Although, you're a
Pagiging
mom.
parents.
Yeah, pagiging parents natin.
Yeah.
Although you're a mom, I'm a dad too, so we do it differently. Si Rose, she does yung pag-aruga sa anak namin ng iba sa akin din.
Yes.
It's not like we're the same,
Yeah.
right?
No, we're different.
Yeah, different.
Super different.
Anyways, let's move on to the next question. Parenting 101.
Yeah.
Yung mga tanong dito hindi naman parenting ata to. Paano nagbago ang definition mo ng success simula naging nanay ka?
Well, for me, for me, we have different, different meaning kung paano i-define ang success. But for me, success is waking up every day. Seeing you guys every day. Maiyak ako dito. Seeing you guys every day, seeing my kids next to me. Pagdilat ko ng mata ko and then nagising ako today. Nakita ko yung kids. For me, that's success. And everything, bonus na lang yun, guys.
Correct, yeah.
Bonus na lang yun. That's how I define success. So for me lang yun, guys.
Yeah, I mean, there's so many forms of success.
Yeah.
Depends on you guys kung ano man. Sa atin kasi family is...
Family and alam mo
once
yun,
you have
yung
complete
humihinga ka pa.
family and you guys are healthy and you guys, there's a happiness in you guys every day, then I think that's a definition of success sa amin.
Yes.
It's not about monetary, di ba?
No.
Money is just gonna be there no matter what.
I
Anyways.
agree.
But yung time mo sa pamilya mo, yung time mo sa kids mo, those will fade. Right now, we have a lot of time with our Zaza, our youngest daughter, because she does not go to school. But si Zafina, hapon na lang namin siya nakakasama because she does go to school and
Yeah.
you
And
know,
I'm planning.
pag nag-college yan. And
So mga fellow nanay, gusto ko siyang alisin sa school system. Tell me if I'm gonna do wrong. But yeah, I'm still looking at it. It's not final, but I want to do homeschooling instead.
yeah.
So tell me sa comment kung good idea yon. Or kung may idea ka, let me know sa comment din.
That's true.
Magpagaling tayo sa mga ganong bagay.
And I think you should probably invite somebody who does
Homeschooling
and then talk about that. And
yes.
yeah,
So
you should.
I want to invite you, if you do homeschooling to your kids, please, you're welcome to come here in my podcast
Yeah.
to educate my audience as well.
Yeah,
or
I
me.
think that's gonna be a good idea, especially the person who have experienced it.
Amazing.
Homeschooling,
I love
diba?
that. That's
So
smart.
go
yeah.
for it, yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
I'll look forward for that. Maybe.
sounds good. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Anong pressure ang lagi mong naririnig bilang mompreneur? Yung feeling na kailangan mong maging perfect sa lahat.
Well, yeah,
So, anong
sometimes.
pressure?
Yeah, yung pressure na feeling ko I'm not good enough. Feeling ko I'm not giving my all. Feeling ko, alam mo yun, yung talaga yung I'm not enough. Like feeling ko may kulang pa rin sa effort ko as a mom. Even though I'm giving my all. And sometimes like I'm only human naman, nagkakamali din, di ba?
Yeah.
But I am trying to be perfect sa, perfect. Para sa mga anak ko, di ba? Or para sa inyo din sa pamilya ko. Pero yun nga, wala talagang perfect.
Yeah,
And I
nothing
keep
is
on telling
perfect,
my
yeah.
kids, I suck at it. I'm so sorry if I did this and that. I acknowledge talaga lahat ng mali ko. 'Di ba? Na hindi ko talaga pinapasa sa kanila. Like, alam ko na ako yung mali.
Yeah.
I will say sorry.
But
and I will
I
honor
think the
it. Parang
problem
ganun.
with a lot of parents nowadays is that nakuha natin yung ugali ng parents pa natin. Diba? And then we trying to apply that to our kids.
Yes.
But the problem with that is that,
It's obsolete.
yeah, yung hindi updated yung ano
Yeah, it's
nila eh.
obsolete. Yeah.
Kung paano nila tayo tinuruan back then, it's not updated, And then there's that trauma, mga
I
ganyan.
agree.
And
Yeah.
I believe that we should actually be listening to our kids more than they're listening to us.
I
Kasi
agree.
they can teach you a lot, diba?
Yeah.
Because if you're not listening to your kids, then saan sila magtatanong ng mga question? Saan sila maghahanap ng mga answers? Right?
Yeah. That's true.
Kasi tayo kasi, as a parents, we just tell them what to do. Instead of asking them, is like, hey, do you think if you do this,
Oh,
is it a
yeah.
good idea? Or, things like, if you do this, do you think what are the consequences
Consequences, yeah.
are, things like that. Rather than just telling them, it's like, hey,
Mali yan.
mali yan,
Oo.
do this
Hindi
instead.
nila
And then,
matatandaan yun.
correct.
Pag ganun
And then
yung
there's no
ginawa mo.
explanation why if you do this way is the right way, and why if you do this way is the bad way.
Yeah.
Kung hindi mo ma-explain sa kanila, yun yung problema kasi.
Yeah.
So might as well listen to them.
And I think sometimes, like, some parents, they're using their authority being a parents na,
Yeah.
oh, I should be respected and I should be above you because you're just my kid.
Correct, yeah.
Well, there's no such thing for me and my kids. Kasi, like, I always, like, if feeling mo, like, parang hindi ito okay sa'yo, tell me.
Yeah.
I always, like, tell them that. If it's not okay with you, then tell me. Just be
Correct,
honest
yeah.
with what you're feeling. Then, yeah, we can do better next time.
Tama. That's
Diba?
true.
Okay, next question.
Next
please.
question. So,
Ang
we're
hirap pala
down to 8. Excuse me, guys. Anong advice ang gusto mong ibigay sa mga nanay na feeling stuck or nawawala ang sarili nila?
Oh, that's about losing yourself, right?
Yeah, identity.
Yeah. Honestly, I don't know, because me too. Sama-sama tayong, manalig, ganyan.
Magdasal.
Magdasal. No, honestly, like, if you felt that way, honor it, di ba? Until you got it all figured out. Kasi, pag hindi mo siya in-honor, magsisinungaling ka lang sa sarili mo, di ba? I-honor mo siya and then gawan mo ng paraan one day at a time.
Mm-hmm.
Di ba? Rather than, like, shoving it in under the carpet and hanggang, alam mo yon, maipon na lang lahat doon and then sumabog ka na lang and then lahat damay-damay na.
So you're saying that you should be open.
Yes, openness with what you're feeling and
Conversational things.
Yeah.
Mag-usap
Yun lang yun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tama ba?
Tanong mo sila. Tama ba, guys?
Tama ba, guys?
And then let's move on
Well,
to
it's
the
just
next
based on
one.
my experience anyways. Yeah.
So, paano mo napapanatiling matatag ang marriage nyo kahit magkasama kayo sa business? Wait.
Well, at first, we suck at it, right?
Yeah.
And as we always keep on saying to each other, when we step in the house, you know who's your boss. And when you step in this, building, in our business, you know who is your boss. And no one is above anything. Like, yung sa amin kasi, like you have to explain your point of view because your point of view must be different than mine. So, yung mga ganong instances, di ba?
I think what I'm trying to say is that you should have rules. Yeah, rules.
Okay.
You have rules talaga when it comes to business
Yes,
and then sa bahay.
Yeah, yun lang yun.
When we are in the business, obviously I'm the boss.
Yes, he is the boss.
So I'm the one who knows everything about the business. So if there's something that she does not understand, she just come to me and ask. And if there's something that I want her to do, she just do it.
Yeah.
And then it's the other way around in the house. Syempre, obviously, I spent so much time building this company for so long. She's been helping it out as well. The problem with that, though, is like she spent half of the time, of course, in the house.
Yes.
Especially nung wala pa si Mel, diba?
Yeah.
Si Mel, my brother-in-law, when he was in the Philippines, kaming dalawa lang talaga ni Rose.
Yeah, kaming dalawa lang talaga nakikibaka.
Yeah, so half of it. So when I get home, obviously when I'm working with our business, I do everything I can.
Yes.
But when I get home, I have to be a dad or a husband.
I agree.
It's the same thing with her, diba?
Yeah. I do everything for our kids and for you as well.
Exactly. So
I love you, baby.
love you the best. So that's how it is.
Yeah.
But there's always a boundaries, guys, that you cannot cross.
Yes, I agree.
Obviously, if you're better there, you have to just stick with that there. Meaning, parang magaling ka sa area na yan, so I trust you.
Yes, yeah.
Diba? Ganun lang sa marriage eh.
Ganun lang yun. Yeah.
And you need to,
business
you need to understand that wag kang magmamagaling kumbaga sa business. Wag kang magmamagaling kung ako ma-experience ng 7 years dito sa business and
I
then
agree.
Ikaw magtuturo sa akin lahat. That's not how it works. It's the same thing sa bahay, di ba?
Yeah.
So when I come home, it's like I ask, like, hey, how's the kids? Ano nangyari? Fill me in, things like that. And then, usap na tayo ng nag-usap mo. Me and Rose always talk about things, a lot of things.
Yes, guys.
Yeah, we don't stop talking.
May mga times pa na, nung umaga na kami, kauusap lang.
Kausap. Alas 6
Diba,
na ng
kasama
madaling
na nga
araw.
kami.
Kasama na nga kami. Especially now, diba? Especially now that we're together always here in the studio.
Yeah.
And some other projects as well.
That's so fun.
Because I think that removes everything, yung mga magiging problema in the future. It prevents as well if you're talking to your spouse all the time.
I agree, yeah. And like moving forward with the same direction that you guys are going.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So parang ino-audit nyo lang yung mga nangyayari.
Yeah.
How's life, how's work, things like that.
Yeah.
Kamusta tayo? Kamusta yung mga bata? Where are we at right now?
Yeah.
Do we
What
need
are
more
mistakes
time?
today?
Yeah, mistakes.
What did we learn?
So those kind of things that we talk about every day,
Yeah.
my wife and I.
But at first we're not really good at it. We're not good at it still, but we're learning, diba? Every
Exactly.
day.
Yeah.
Guys, like, diba, we've been together for how many years now, and
It's almost 12 years
I'm still
this year.
learning a lot of things
December.
talaga. Diba?
Yeah, it's
Kasama
about
ka.
learning. Yeah, it's about learning. Knowing your partner, what their capabilities are.
Yeah.
Diba?
Which is so fun kasi like it's another stage again for both of us, right?
Correct, yeah.
Yeah, so that's another stage, baby.
Yeah.
Kapit lang.
So if you guys
Ganon.
wanted to know the secret of being with a strong relationship, na maging strong kayo,
Yeah.
have a conversation with your spouse
Every day. No
Yeah.
no filter, no sugar
filter,
coating.
no.
Kahit feeling
Tell
mo
them.
masasaktan siya. But make sure naman na pag sinabi mo naman, wag yung abrupt. Magdahan-dahan ka naman. Oh, this might hurt you a little bit, but I just wanna be honest with what I'm feeling right now. Yung mga ganon. Para naman mukhang sexy pa din. Oy! Nakaka-relate ka na naman.
I think I don't know because I don't know any other relationship other than our relationship, diba? Hindi ko
Yeah.
alam kung ganyan kayo guys sa mga asawa ninyo, but if you guys are not talking to each other for a couple days,
Yeah.
maybe you can rethink of how you guys, what marriage to you guys, right? Because
Yeah.
kailangan nyo malaman kung ano nangyayari sa isa't isa eh.
I
Right?
agree.
And I think that's how you build trust as well in a relationship. It's
Yeah.
like you need to be honest. You need to be, very transparent sa kanila. I mean, you can be honest,
Yeah.
but being transparent is completely different.
Yes, yeah. Which
Yeah.
sometimes it's hard.
It's
Diba?
hard, yeah.
Especially like when you want to like protect the feelings of that person, or diba? Like ayaw mo siyang masaktan. Yung mga
Correct.
ganong bagay.
Yeah.
But sometimes in able to grow, it requires pain. Diba?
Oh yeah.
I love that. I love pain.
Yeah, especially when you guys are like in the business.
Yeah.
You guys, especially when the business is not doing very well, you guys will have a deeper conversation of, just a hardship.
Yeah.
Kung nasaan kayo, kung anong gagawin ninyo, and where you guys currently at right now.
Yes, yeah.
So, importante yun, guys,
Yeah.
when it comes to relationship. Yeah.
Yes.
Anyways.
Well, communication. Kagaya
yeah,
ngayon,
communication.
nagko-communicate pa din tayo.
Hanggang ngayon. Anyways, I don't think we have enough time, Beth. So we can end the podcast over here.
So we're done? What
no,
number
but
are
it's
we?
4:56 already.
What number are we though?
I think we're just in number 7. Oh, no, number 8 then. So, And then that's the last one. We can talk about the last one. So
You're not
number
even checking
10.
what number it
Yeah, I
is.
know.
And okay.
Ano ang why mo? Ano ang dahilan kung bakit kahit pagod ka na tuloy ka pa rin? You know what? Just next time, just write this in English.
No, it should be Tagalog kasi.
Yeah, I mean, like you can respond in Tagalog, but it's
Hindi
just
nga kasi it's my
Tagalog.
audience naman.
Okay,
You
I
have to
see.
feel it.
Yeah.
Nakakainis ka naman, baby. Okay, go.
Ano ang why mo? Ano ang dahilan kung bakit kahit pagod ka na tuloy pa rin?
Well, my family, di ba? And of course, I just wanna know, like, yung mga purpose na ibibigay sa akin ni Papa Jesus para sa isang buhay na binigay niya sa akin. You know, how many, yung tao, yung matutulungan ko, yung matatouch ko ang buhay dahil sa buhay na binigay niya. Yun lang yun.
And that's it, guys. That's for the first episode of Rosmely Tabulon Podcast, Momtrepreneur, and
Mompreneur.
Mompreneur. Okay, is there anything else that you wanted to say to your audience before we
so-
close this podcast?
So guys, if you have any suggestions of what topics are we gonna, what topics do you guys want for my podcast, you are free to leave comments or email me at rosmely@zadaremstudios.com.
That's our corporate account, guys.
That's my corporate account, guys. Okay, not my
Maybe you should create your own personal email
Pinagalo ko
for
na
the
yung
podcast.
podcast at saka yung business.
But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you at the next video, or we'll see you in the next video.
Well, yeah. We'll see you at the next video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. And yeah, let's have fun and learn together being a mom. Ganon. And mompreneur or business owner.
Take care,
Have a good day, guys. Bye. I don't know where
Bye.
to look. We have 3 cameras.
You have multiple cameras, guys.
Okay.
that's
Thanks,
good.
babe, for your time.
Thank you.
Okay.